What is up, everyone? So I have just started account with Apex Funding, and I've done my research, and I figured out that that's the program I want to do my challenge for futures trading with. So I was doing my Forex funds for my Forex trading, and now I'm doing this one for a futures account. So setting it up wasn't confusing. It was just the way that their instructions are set up were not very user friendly. So I'm going to run you through it really quick and just kind of step A through Z, and just kind of walk you through it and make it a much easier setup process. So it took about 20 minutes or so for my account to actually get activated. So they'll tell you like 6 p.m. Eastern, blah, 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 these days, that day, whatever. So it might take longer, but I did mine at around 7 p.m. at night, and it took about 25-30 minutes to get activated. So you're going to get your email, and it's going to have everything you need in the email. So you have your username, password, and the Ninja license key. So first things, to get the downloads, you're going to want to download Rithmic, and you're going to want to download the new NinjaTrader 8. So click that first link, download them, and I'll walk you through the rest. Our trader downloaded. There's some things we're going to do to set up. So if this is your first time, you're going to want to click remember me, orders on, put your user in, put your password in, make sure the system is on Apex and as well as the Gateway Chicago area. I believe these were already on by default, but they did just update the system October 22nd, I believe. So if it's not there, this is what you need to put them on. Market date it's going to be on, and you're going to click allow plugins, and you're going to do the Chicago area again. So now we're going to log in. Takes a couple seconds. And you'll know if your account's active because it'll say like can't log in, invalid logins. So if you get into the screen, your account is officially set up, and it's gonna look like this. So that's gonna be what it looks like, and you're gonna close this out. So this is your first client of the Rithmic Trader Pro. So we're going to open up one more, and because this is what we're going to be using to link into NinjaTrader Pro now. So open one more, and you're going to turn plugins off. You can turn market data off. Oop, market data on, sorry. Allow plugins off, aggregated quotes off, and then you're going to click our Trader Pro on this machine. Same login, same everything. If you remember me on, that should come in. So we're going to log in now. All right, so now we have the second one open. This one, you could have your dashboard open. So you can see your active account now. Now we're going to open up NinjaTrader Pro. I have it on my other screen. Let me drag it over. Now the NinjaTrader Pro system is very modular, so you will need to take some time to set it up. I haven't figured out a way to make it one giant screen, like how to connect the modules together. But down here is going to be your account. You can see your positions and all that stuff, your executions, orders. So we'll click accounts, and by default, you're going to have your SIM 101 on. What you're going to need to do is go to help, license key, and put that license key from the email you have. You're going to hit OK, and I believe it's going to tell you to restart the program. So go ahead and close down NinjaTrader, leave Rithmic Trader Pro open, or RTrader for short, and then reopen this. So now we're going to have to get the connection set. So you're going to click configure, and you're going to click Rithmic for NinjaTrader brokerage. Now I already have it configured. So you're going to do your logins. Make sure connect on startup is unchecked. I didn't check that. Apex by default, and then have plugin mode for market data. That's why we have this running as in plugin mode, so we could have it shoot the market data over into NinjaTrader Pro. So now there's one last thing you got to do. So now that we have it configured, I'm going to log into the account. And now we're logged in. So if you need to open up the trading panel, just click that up there. And you could see the chart, right? I already customized it a little bit. If you know these color schemes, you already know who I learned from. If you don't, you can find them on YouTube. Tons of content. Most of my trading comes from him, or my theory of trading and price action comes from him. So if you just want to practice with demo trade, which I suggest you do, I opened a few trades with the sim account. You can see I lost money because I was just opening and closing trades to figure out how this works. So to close a position, say we'll do a test. So we're on the sim account, so this doesn't matter. We're going to hit buy market. Let's do buy order like 5. Buy market, yes. So you'll see I already have the stop loss and take profit. That's called an ATM strategy. I'll walk you through how to set that up shortly, quickly after this, but you just click and then drag and then let go. Now that's your new stop loss. Click, drag, and that's your new take profit, right? So say you want to measure your risk. There's a risk measure. You go from where you place the trade down here. And I have the default settings, or no, I switched it to 3 risk reward. So it quickly snaps out where 3RR is. So if you're like, I need to at least minimally make 3R on this trade, and it just happens to line up with the structure. So kind of funny. But anyways, so say we're like, I mean, we're losing a lot of money, right? But this is my sim account. So let's say we want to close, I don't know, 2 of these positions. What you're going to need to do is go down to order quantity 2. And then because we bought, we're selling at market. So we filled it in, and now we have three contracts open. And that's how you partials. I didn't know that, so the one trade I actually had in my live account, I was trying to close, I had 5 and I was trying to close out 2. And because I'm used to Owanda or TradingView, I would patch Owanda through TradingView, and it tells you like how much you want to collapse, and then you type it in and then you take partials, right? It's not like that. You actually got to sell your buy orders to take partials. So definitely something I wish I read about before I started trading, which I could have, but you know, I was excited to get in and start messing around with NinjaTrader. And the night before when I was doing the sim trading, I didn't do that. But anyways, so let's just it's just a sim account. Let's just let it run. Whatever. Let's let those 3 contracts go, see what happens. So that's going to be the setup. If you want to customize the chart, there's a few ways to doing it. So if you go to properties, you could kind of edit some of it. But to get the full setup, you're going to hit this plus down here. Or let's backtrack. Let's say you accidentally close the chart. You're going to hit new chart. We're on, this one's on the E, just the E mini. What I do want to add, because I'm going to save this as a normal setup so I don't have to keep doing this every time, is the micros. And we're going to do the 15-minute chart. Black candles. All right, let's pretend I customized all this, right? What I do want to do, though, is do not plot. Or no, markers only, sorry. I don't want to see this because it starts getting busy if you take multiple trades. So we'll do this. We'll put the candles. I want them black. Okay. So now we have a new chart. But like I said, I wanted this I want the tabs. I don't want two different screens. So I'm going to close that, hit the tab down here. And now because I already used it, you could pin them up here. I'm going to do my, kind of gives it away of the color scheme right now, right? So now we have it on. Got my normal chart right here with the normal E-mini, and then we got the micro, which I'm trading right now before I go back to the main, because you could see these ticks are a lot more valuable. That would be like, I believe it's $12.50 versus $125. So let's wrap up this tutorial. The last thing I'm going to teach you guys is, like I said, if you just right click properties, chart background, I did the white smoke, so it's not like a full white bright in my eyes, hurting my eyes. And then I turned grid lines, unchecked them so they're not visible. And then I did the text black, so that way all the numbers are in black. And that is my setup. So now if I want to save this workspace, let's hit save. So now I'm going to close. You have 2 active orders, 1 open position. Yeah, I want to keep it open. And then yes, I do want to save it. So now when I reopen NinjaTrader, I got my 2 charts here, which I forgot to save this morning. That's why I set it up during the tutorial. And now I have my 2 charts. And then if I wanted a second one, I'll put it on my second monitor on a higher time frame. So this will be my lower time frame active trading chart. And then I could reference the higher time frame on my second screen. Last tip is just the drawing tool. These are going to be all your drawing tools. And then just click them again. Delete. And that's kind of your quick rundown on setting up your Apex funding account with NinjaTrader and quickly going over NinjaTrader. Oh, ATM strategies. So we're going to hit custom. Order quantity, you could put whatever your like normal position is. I'm going to make a 5, quantity 5. We're going to go to ticks. Stop loss is going to be 5 and profit will be 10 ticks. And then you don't have to set any of this. That's more complex. You could customize, but save template as. This is going to be, so that way I know that the positions are 5. And hit OK. So now we know. I haven't connected my account, so I can't place trades, but now I have 2. And that's how you set up when I placed the position, how it was there. So you automatically have the stop loss and take profit. And then you just click and customize them. So I hope this has helped you out with Apex funding challenge, setting it up, integrating it with NinjaTrader, and then the quick overview of NinjaTrader. I'm still learning NinjaTrader myself, so maybe I'll make an advanced video in the future, kind of diving into a little more of the program and what it can all do. But if you need to add anything, it's all right here. Click new, and you could add any window you want and customize it how you like, and then save the workspace. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace.